way you can see like the simulator and stuff. Move that over. Okay, so you can see that. And then the simulator itself, you have this. So when you start it up, oops, I don't know what happened now. Oh, because of this. Makes sense. It's not supposed to return anything, so just having it there should work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you can get like the button to display, you know?
Yeah.
And then, so that works. And then, yeah, I have this method here, like ready to roll, and it works, you know, for when the action gets called and stuff. Like I checked it with a console log.
Yeah.
But it's a matter of actually getting it to call that share thing, that share view thing, you know?
Yeah, without duplicating code, right?
Yeah, and that was the hard part, I think. But like, yeah, if you not sure how it works. It's supposed to be long press, right?
No, I'm sure. No, it's just supposed to be a click on share, the share button click.
Yeah, but
no, it's a long press on the actual picture.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Seems like you have a seems like you've got some other gesture recognizer operating before it processes the long click.
Mm. That makes sense. So can we like try to look around and see what's up with that?
Yeah.
A couple things I did. Another thing. Huh?
Why don't you go to media table view cell then? It's probably there.
Okay. Yeah. So like, yeah. So I think gesture recognizer state began.
Yeah, you probably want to change that.
Really?
Oh, maybe not.
It is what they like. It's what they gave you.
Yeah. So why is it calling did tap image view? What does did tap image view do? I think you're just calling in the wrong delegate on it.
This is just the code that they give you.
For both?
Yeah, pretty sure. I mean, I'm seeing something wrong.
Yeah, it's right there below.
Yeah, right here.
No. So you see that it says did long press image view, not did tap.
Oh yeah, and I just said did. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I was calling that same method twice then, huh?
Yeah, you can try it now.
Okay, should work. Yeah, cool.
Cool. And then can you take a look at did long press image view?
Did long press image view.
The delegate method. So you can just right click. You can
right
just
click.
Yeah, so go down.
Down.
There's the method. Yeah. You can right click on that and just jump to definition.
Jump to definition.
And then go to the second one. The second
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So we had actually gone through this before I started going through them again.
Yeah.
And what we originally did was we took all this out and kind of associated it with the share thing, share view or something.
Associated with the
you know what I mean? Or with that share button fired, you know?
Yeah. Right. Do you remember where we put the code into the abstracted code? So what you're saying is that we basically took out what you highlighted and put into another method, right?
Yeah.
Do you know where we put that?
Well, the weird thing was this changed. I mean, like I have it somewhere actually.
Oh, you have your old stuff.
Yeah, I still have it. It's just like I just made it private on my profile.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got to clean that thing up. Okay. And then I think if we look at like commits, yeah, we have the share button edit, and this is what we did.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So it's kind of looking to.
So,
I mean, it had been so long since we'd done this, so
yeah.
it's kind of looking to just.
Okay. Wait. So take a look here. It says share, and then go up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we put into.
Yeah, you see how we changed that?
Yeah, I'm just taking a look right now. Okay, and then keep going down. Okay, keep going down.
And that came in the view layout subviews.
Okay, so we really didn't abstract the code last time. We just kind of like put it into two different places.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so maybe we might want to put it into like some additional class, and then just kind of go from there. So we can put it in data source, although data source probably isn't the best place to put it. Data source handles the model and networking.
Right.
But
right.
We can maybe point to like some type of view controller helper, and then just try to go from there.
Okay. So we would create a whole new class for that?
Yeah.
Okay. So
the strategy is to make a superclass that's both the classes subclass term, but that's kind of just like extra work.
Yeah.
Well, it's all extra work, but I don't know. I don't like to force classes that have the same, subclass just to share this method.
Right.
So,
right.
Yeah, you can make it a Cocoa Touch class or whatever.
Okay. What should we call it?
Just make it a subclass of NS object. Yeah, and then just call it view controller helper. Okay, and then in the M file, just create a class method. I mean, you could also like do the whole shared instance thing, but like, I don't know. Let's just make it a class method.
So
yeah, so basically let's just take that code that you had.
The which one? Sorry.
The one in the Mia full screen view controller.
The button one?
Yeah, the share code. Oh, sorry, it's in images table view controller.
Right. This one.
Yep. So basically, let's take all that.
Okay.
Just cut it out.
Yeah.
And then and then go to view controller helper. And then from there, just paste in the code.
Then we have to wrap it, right? Like into a method.
Mm-hmm. So use a plus sign.
So why a plus sign?
Plus sign makes it a class method.
Okay. And then it doesn't return anything, right?
No.
Okay.
And then say like pop or show
share thing.
Or yeah, show share view or something like that. Cool. Yep, and then you can throw all that in there. And then as an argument, I would then throw, so you would make a colon, right? And then The first one would be media item or media. Well, of type media. So you want to write the type first. Yep. Very good. And so now let's take out all the cell.media item and just make it media.
Okay, cool. And then are we gonna need to?
Yeah, we're gonna have to import media.
Right. Okay.
So you can import that wherever you want.
Jeez.
Very good. Yeah, so keep taking out that stuff.
Oh, right, and just replacing it with media?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Okay, and then for the last one, we're actually going to make a second argument to the function. So after media, we're going to write the following with VC.
Wait, so...
Yeah, so space with VC and then colon. And then in parentheses, view controller and a star. Sorry, UI view controller.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm. And then you can name it VC or whatever you want. Or, yeah.
Let's hit VC and
And
then
then replace self on line 27 VC.
wait.
Replace self.
Okay, so, oh, gotcha, okay. Got it.
And that should all be kosher now. And then now let's paste this into the H file so that all the other classes can see it.
Right. Just the top.
Yeah, just the method header.
Cool.
How's this feel?
Huh?
How's it feel?
Heavy?
Heavy? What?
It's a lot of stuff.
It feels like a heavy implementation?
It's just a lot of stuff. I mean, wait, so wouldn't I import?
You gotta do a forward declaration for the class media.
Oh, okay, so.
And then also the UI view controller as well.
Oh, so.
Again, another forward declaration.
Like that?
Sure, if that works.
It looks like it does.
Yeah. Sweet.
Awesome.
Great. Yeah, and then now let's let's go to so let's first go to images table view controller where it all begins.
Roger. Okay.
And then yeah, just now call.
Well, we need to import. Yeah. So we just say import
controller helper.
And then so then we're just gonna call that method on self.
No, on view controller helper. So you write bracket view controller helper, and then the name. And then show, right? Space show share. Yep. And then you throw cell.media item. Yep. And then self.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay. Cool.
One magical line.
Sweet.
Right.
And then but what about the share button itself?
What about the share button?
Will the share button work now?
Well, we have to put that code in. Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's put the code in.
All right. I was like, wait a second. Okay. So can I just call that same method then?
Yeah,
Okay.
import the class.
Cool. Nice. So then same thing, view controller helper,
Yeah.
show share view, and then does this need like an argument or something?
What do you mean?
Like what media are we gonna show here?
Yeah, so try self.media item. Yeah, and then self.
Wait, self.media?
Media item. Does that not exist?
It's not a thing.
Go all the way back.
What do you mean?
Take out media item and just type the letter M.
There's media.
Yeah, media's fine.
And then do I need anything else? Like just self.media?
Yeah.
Okay. And then with
Self.
Okay. Cool. And that should work then, yeah.
Hopefully.
Okay, got a button up there. Nice. And then we have long press
It's a long press on the cell.
on the cell. There you go. Cool. Awesome, man.
Yeah, I just helped with this. I just helped the student with that today.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, at least it's on help for him now. So
This strategy hopefully gives me a little bit more sanity.
yeah. It is cool to see how all that, how you're able to just use kind of like what would you call this? Almost like a pyramid.
Yeah, it's like a utility class.
Yeah.
Just for like, and in Rails we have that, right? We have like helper classes.
Yeah, exactly. Cool. All right, man. Right on.
Sweet.
Awesome. Thanks a lot for the help.
Absolutely.